Hey everyone, and welcome to the 17th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video I will show you the property called transform. Okay, it is one of the most fun properties to use in your CSS and you can do a lot with this property. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. So let's explore this property and see what's inside it and what you can do with it. So if we'll take a look in our website, we have a simple p tag, and I have changed some of its properties. We have changed the font size and margin. So without wasting any more time, let's just get into the transform property. So here you can see transform, you have to write transform, and inside this there are sub properties to transform. You can see there are rotate, there are scale, skew, translate. So first of all, let's see rotate. So as a name suggests, it will just rotate your element, and it takes a unit called degree. Okay, so whenever I will write 20 and save it, nothing will happen because you have to also write degree in the end, DEG, that's it. And if I will just save it, you can see our element is rotated clockwise. Okay, notice it will rotate clockwise because I am giving it a positive value. Okay, clockwise, and how many degrees? 20 degrees. If I will just do this minus 20 degree, save it, you can see it will rotate anti-clockwise. Okay, so you can change the direction by adding a minus sign. Okay, so let's say I have written 180, so it will just flip upside down. Okay, and if I'll just write 360, so you can see nothing will change because it will just rotate to its original position. So let's just say 20 degree. Alright, so let's see one more property of transform. So you have to write transform, and you can see here we have a property called scale. So scale, as the name suggests, it will help you to change the scale, to change the size of the element. By default the size will be 1. Okay, so you can see the size has not been changed. So if I will just write 0.5, which is half of the 1, so the size will get halved. So you can see the p tag is now half the size. And now if I will just write 2 here, it will get bigger. Okay, it will get twice the size. If I will just write 20, so it will just get 20 times bigger. So as you can see here, it is 20 times bigger. Okay, so let me just do this 2, that's fine, or 1 only. So yeah, this is, you can use it to change the size or scale. So let's see one more, which is skew. Okay, so skew, you can use it to change the direction of the skew. So what I mean by that, it also change, it also take the unit degree. Okay, so you have to write 20 or anything, and you have to write degree. So you can see the, it will tilt towards a angle which is 20 degree. If I will just write minus here, so it will just tilt towards the other direction. So this is the way you can use it to make your website even more beautiful. Okay, one last property of transform is translate. You can see here translate, and if I'll just write, let's say 30 pixel here. Alright, let's say 30 pixel, oops, and save it, you can see it moves towards right. So why it is moving towards right? Because by default it will move towards x-axis, and if you will take a look, you can see, let me just remove this, you can see there are many properties in translate, which is translate x, translate y, and translate z. So let's see translate x, and if I will write 30 pixel, you can see nothing will happen because the original one is here and I am moving it 30 pixel towards the right in x-axis. And what happens if I will just write y? So you can see it will move in y-axis 30 pixels. So this is how you can like change the transform properties. Now what if you want all these properties at once? Okay, so let me just comment all this here. Okay, now all these properties are here, and if I just save it, you will see like nothing will happening. Okay, the only thing which is happening is this transform translate y. Okay, the rotate is not working, the scale is not working, and the skew is not working. That's because you have defined transform 4 times and you cannot use like more than one time. So to use all these properties at once, you have to write like this. You have to just copy this, and here, oops, not here, and here you have to paste it. Okay, so let's do this also, and let's paste scale also. Okay, and now if I'll just comment all this, and now if I'll just save it, you can see it is rotating also, it is translating also, and it is like uh, the applying the skew property. And let's just change the scale to 2 times, and as you can see here, it is just scaling up also. So this is the way you can change like many different transform properties at once. That's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one with a very cool another CSS effect.